Made it wonderful news. You are everything I ever knew. You are everything I ever knew. I may look slightly confused. I've got to figure out a thing or two. I've got to figure out a thing or two. There were mountains higher than the eye could ever see. There were storm clouds stretched across the world's infinity. Still you made me better than the words beyond my own. Now you found me, never let me go or let me down. Everything you touch turns into gold. Everything you touch turns into gold. Favor, pick him up. If you help him, I will never know. If you help him, I will never know. There were mountains higher than the eye could ever see. There were storm clouds stretched across the world's infinity. Still you made me better than the words beyond my own. Now you found me, never let me go or let me down. Everything you touch turns into gold. Everything you touch turns into gold. I'm gold, symbol in my hand, coral in the sand, images from faded.
Good afternoon, buon pomeriggio, xiao yu hao. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the institutions of Europe and China for organizing the Europe-China Tourism Year. This is an extraordinary opportunity to leverage that tourism is much more than travel and its economy. It's about people and our five senses that make us feel, discover, learn, innovate, and evolve. This celebration of the Europe-China Tourism Year comes to an exciting moment for us, for value retail. Why? Because we are also evolving in our brand. We are evolving to Bicester Village Shopping Collection. And this evolving and innovation, it's central in our business. It makes the next step in our journey. Over the last 24 years, value retail has focused on delivering unique experience to our 40 million guests. We innovate and evolve every single day by learning from our guests. We have redefined what is luxury shopping experience with exceptional value for money. And we are a truly global company. And in order to continue to be successful, we need to embrace the world and embrace those driving this growth. Bicester Village Shopping Collection represents a true guarantee of quality, delivering the experience that guests want and putting hospitality at the center of everything we do. We need to stay close to our guests so we can anticipate and serve their desires. Our both villages in China, Suzhou Village and Shanghai Village, which Shanghai Village won a gold award for its design, give us a huge insight and business opportunity to see the world different from others. The villages in China are the natural bridge to generate these opportunities for Europe. And we are in a privileged situation as we are already there in Europe and China. And also in Europe, we are learning every day from our Chinese guests. Indeed, 40% of our total tax refund sales across the collection in Europe are generated by guests from China, with an increase of 14% year on year. By gathering and exchanging information, we can offer content and experience to connect and engage effectively. As a result of this knowledge sharing, Fidenza Village has received the welcome Chinese certification because across every single touch point in the village, we pay attention, we are looking at the guest journey and ensure that we make feel them at home and a memorable experience. Bicester Village Shopping Collection homes more than 1,200 boutiques of world's leading fashion and lifestyle brands with savings of up to 60% on recommended price. Because we want to be closer to our Chinese guests, we know the brands they like, but we also know how much they appreciate the experience, the surprise, and the heritage and life of each territory. For instance, Fidenza Village, located in Parma, Milan, is the heart of design, art, food, fashion, and sophistication, and our village devoted to offer a unique content to discover and live. All always wrapped with a sense of hospitality and service totally oriented to our guests. Chinese speakers to attend and facilitate, special food offer, payment services as Union Pay, VIP lounge to rest and enjoy private events, or the celebration of the Chinese New Year near coming, where the whole collection of villages will offer a unique holiday experience to Chinese guests with the theme of Love the Moment this Chinese New Year. But how we explain this experience and connect with our Chinese guests is now extremely relevant, and it's part of this evolution and innovation we are embracing. We just mentioned Weibo was days ago and WeChat is now. We need to be in both, and obviously it's a must. And being us in fashion and lifestyle world, and being in a fashion and lifestyle destination, even more influencers of all the world, and in Chinese influencers cannot resist talk about trends, news, and eat products they can find in our villages. We work with partners who are like-minded in their approach and aid our innovation. Partners as C-Trip that shares our understanding and how our guests think, behave, and travel. And we work with them to ensure experience and content are relevant. Evolution and innovation is the equivalent of growth. Stay close to our guests. That's the challenge. And those that continue to innovate will succeed. Many thanks.